Reiki. The word itself seems to hum with a gentle energy, a soothing vibration that resonates with the soul. It's a practice, a philosophy, a way of life for some. Reiki is more than just a technique, it's a journey towards inner peace and balance. But what exactly is it? How does it work? And what can it do for you? Reiki is a form of energy healing, an ancient practice that has been passed down through generations. It involves the practitioner channeling energy into the patient, using their hands as conduits to transfer this healing energy. This is done through touch, promoting healing and well-being. The touch is gentle, almost imperceptible, yet profoundly impactful. Reiki aims to address imbalances in the body, those unseen disruptions that can cause discomfort and disease. It seeks to restore harmony within, bringing a sense of peace and equilibrium to the mind, body, and spirit. The practice is rooted in the belief that we all possess a life force energy, an invisible current that flows through us. This energy is called ki in Japanese, a term that signifies the vital force that animates all living things. It's what animates us, keeps us vibrant and full of life. When our ki is strong and flows freely, we feel healthy and alive. When our ki flows freely, we thrive. We experience a sense of well-being and vitality that permeates every aspect of our lives. However, life's stresses can create blockages. These blockages can disrupt the flow of ki, leading to various physical and emotional issues. These blockages manifest as physical or emotional ailments, causing pain, anxiety, and other forms of distress. Reiki practitioners act as conduits, helping to channel the universal life force energy into the patient. They help to clear these blockages, allowing ki to flow freely once more. This process can lead to profound healing and transformation. Reiki is a complementary therapy, meaning it works alongside conventional medicine to enhance healing. This means it works alongside conventional medicine, providing additional support and promoting overall well-being. It's not meant to replace traditional treatments, but to complement them, offering a holistic approach to health. Instead, it offers a holistic approach to healing, addressing the mind, body, and spirit as interconnected parts of a whole. Reiki addresses the mind, body, and spirit, promoting balance and harmony in all aspects of life. It's a gentle, non-invasive practice, making it suitable for people of all ages and backgrounds. Offering a path to healing and well-being for everyone, regardless of their life circumstances or health conditions. The origins of Reiki are shrouded in mystery and legend. These ancient stories and myths have been passed down through generations, each adding a layer of intrigue and wonder to the practice we know today. While the system we know today was formalized in Japan by Mikao Usui in the early 20th century, its roots are believed to stretch back much further, intertwining with the spiritual and healing traditions of other ancient cultures. Many Reiki masters trace its lineage to ancient India, a land rich in spiritual heritage and profound healing wisdom. Here, the seeds of energy healing were sown long before they blossomed into the practice we recognize today. There, thousands of years ago, a powerful healing system flourished. This system was deeply connected to the natural world, utilizing herbs, remedies, and the intrinsic energy that flows through all living things. This ancient system focused on harnessing life force energy, known as prana, to restore balance and health. Practitioners believed that by manipulating this energy, they could influence the physical, emotional, and spiritual well-being of individuals. It involved using hands-on healing techniques where the healer would channel energy through their hands to the recipient. Sound familiar? This method is strikingly similar to the hands-on techniques used in Reiki today. These ancient practices bear a striking resemblance to Reiki, suggesting a shared understanding of energy healing that transcends time and geography. This has led many to believe that Reiki's true origins lie in the mists of India's past. Hidden within the sacred texts and oral traditions of this ancient civilization, while concrete evidence remains elusive, the similarities between these practices are compelling. The parallels in techniques, philosophies, and outcomes suggest a deep, interconnected history. Ancient Indian texts like the Vedas speak of prana, the vital life force that sustains all beings. These texts provide detailed descriptions of how prana can be harnessed and directed for healing purposes. This is the vital life force that sustains all beings, flowing through the body and connecting us to the universe. The concept of prana is central to many Indian healing practices, much like the concept of Kai in Reiki. They describe techniques for manipulating prana to heal the sick, restore balance, and promote overall well-being. These techniques often involve meditation, breath control, and the laying on of hands. These techniques involve channeling energy through the hands, much like Reiki. The healer acts as a conduit, allowing the universal life force to flow through them and into the recipient, facilitating healing on multiple levels. The connection between Reiki and ancient Indian healing practices is a testament to the enduring power of energy work. It highlights the universal nature of these healing principles, which have been understood and practiced for millennia across different cultures. It suggests that the principles underlying Reiki have been understood and practiced for millennia. The flow of energy, the balance of life force, and the power of touch are concepts that have transcended time and space. While the exact path from India to Japan may never be fully known, the echoes of these ancient practices resonate in every Reiki session. The journey of Reiki from the ancient healing traditions of India to the modern practices in Japan is a fascinating tale of cultural exchange and spiritual evolution. The story of Reiki as we know it begins in 19th century Japan, a time and place rich with spiritual exploration and ancient traditions. Enter Mikao Usui, a dedicated spiritual seeker on a profound quest for enlightenment and deeper understanding of the mysteries of life. Usui dedicated his life to studying ancient teachings, immersing himself in the wisdom of various spiritual texts and practices from different cultures and traditions. He sought the knowledge of healing and spiritual awakening, believing that true enlightenment could only be achieved through a deep connection with the universal life force. His relentless journey led him to a profound discovery that would change the course of energy healing forever. Legend has it that Usui experienced a powerful spiritual awakening, a moment of divine clarity and insight that illuminated his path. This transformative experience occurred during a 21-day retreat on the sacred Mount Kurama, a place known for its spiritual significance in Japan. It was during this intense period of meditation and fasting that he received the gift of Reiki, a healing energy that flows through all living things. Usui emerged from the mountain transformed with a newfound understanding and ability to harness this universal energy. He possessed the knowledge and ability to channel Reiki energy, a skill that allowed him to heal himself and others. Usui dedicated the rest of his life to sharing this incredible gift with the world, teaching others how to access and use Reiki for healing and spiritual growth. To ensure that this knowledge could be passed down through generations, Usui developed a comprehensive system for teaching and practicing Reiki. This system, known as Usui Reiki Ryoho, is the foundation of most Reiki practices today, providing a structured approach to learning and applying Reiki. Usui's teachings emphasize the importance of compassion, gratitude, and self-healing, core principles that are integral to the practice of Reiki. He believed that Reiki was not just a healing modality, but a holistic path that could lead to profound personal transformation. It was a path to spiritual growth and enlightenment, offering practitioners a way to connect deeply with their inner selves and the universe. Usui's rediscovery and systematization of Reiki marked a significant turning point in the history of energy healing, bringing ancient wisdom into the modern world. His legacy continues to inspire millions around the world, as people from all walks of life embrace Reiki for its healing and spiritual benefits. His teachings offer a path to greater well-being and a deeper connection to the universal life force, reminding us of the profound power that lies within each of us. Section 4. Unveiling the System. Formalizing Reiki Principles. Mikao Usui didn't just rediscover Reiki, he developed a structured system for teaching and practice. This system, known as Usui Reiki Ryoho, is what has allowed Reiki to flourish and spread worldwide. At the heart of Usui's system are the 5 Reiki principles. These principles are more than just guidelines for practice. They are a way of life, a path to spiritual growth and inner peace. The principles passed down from master to student are traditionally recited in Japanese. They encourage practitioners to live in the present moment. They emphasize the importance of gratitude, honesty, and compassion. By embodying these principles, practitioners cultivate a deeper connection to Reiki energy. Usui also established a lineage for Reiki. This lineage ensures the teachings are passed down with integrity. Students progress through levels of initiation or attunements. Each level deepens their connection to Reiki energy and expands their healing abilities. Usui's system provided a framework for teaching and practicing Reiki. This framework has ensured the preservation and transmission of Reiki's wisdom across generations. Section 5: Reiki's Journey East, taking root in Japan. Following its rediscovery by Mikao Usui, Reiki began to take root in Japan. Usui established a clinic in Tokyo. There he taught Reiki to hundreds of students. He also treated countless patients with his newfound healing abilities. Word of Reiki's effectiveness spread. People from all walks of life sought Usui's help. They hoped to find relief from physical and emotional suffering. One of Usui's most dedicated students was Chujiro Hayashi. Hayashi, a retired naval officer, played a pivotal role in preserving and spreading Reiki. He established his own Reiki clinic. He further developed the system of hand positions used in treatments. Hayashi's contributions were instrumental in shaping the practice of Reiki as we know it today. Despite its growing popularity, Reiki faced challenges in Japan. The early 20th century saw the rise of militarism and skepticism towards traditional healing practices. However, Reiki persevered thanks to the dedication of Usui's students. They continued to practice and teach, keeping the flame of Reiki alive during a time of significant social and political change.